Local law enforcement. Campus police. Campus police provide law enforcement and security services on college or university campuses, ensuring the safety of students, faculty, and staff. They often respond to reports of drug possession or theft on campus. They can be identified by their presence on campus either on foot, bike, or patrol car, normally with the university's insignia. Municipal police. Municipal police enforce local laws within the city limits, respond to emergencies, investigate crimes, and maintain public order to ensure the safety and well-being of residents. You may notice the city names on their uniforms or vehicles. Municipal police are there to investigate cases of robbery or assault within the city. Sheriff's deputies. Sheriff's deputies provide law enforcement services within a county, including serving warrants, managing jails, patrolling unincorporated areas, and assisting municipal police when needed. The Sheriff Stars badge is a clear indication that it's a sheriff. A sheriff may be called to serve warrants for individuals wanted for crimes such as theft or domestic violence. Police officers. Police officers enforce laws at the local, state, and federal levels. They maintain public safety, respond to emergencies, investigate crimes, and make arrests to protect communities from harm. Police officers operate on all three levels, but on the local level you can see them in vehicles marked with a city or county name. Police officers respond to incidents like car accidents, domestic disputes, and theft in local neighborhoods. State law enforcement. State Bureau of Investigation. The State Bureau of Investigation conducts specialized criminal investigations, assist local law enforcement agencies, and provide forensic services to the administration of justice. They aren't always easy to spot as they don't have a dedicated uniform, but may be in business or casual clothing depending on the situation. They are there to investigate cases of organized crime within the state or public corruption. State police/highway patrol officers. State police/highway patrol officers enforce state laws on highways and state properties. They investigate traffic accidents and assist local law enforcement agencies as needed to ensure public safety. These officers are easily identifiable by their state highway patrol vehicles, which are different than local police officers, and their uniforms. They are there to respond to traffic incidents on the highways or traffic stops on highways within the state's jurisdiction. Federal law enforcement. National Park Services/Park Rangers. Park Rangers enforce laws and regulations within national parks and protected areas. They protect natural and cultural resources and ensure visitor safety to preserve America's natural heritage to future generations. They investigate cases of vandalism or illegal camping in national parks. Environmental Protection Agency, Criminal Investigations Division. The EPA-CID investigates environmental crimes such as pollution, illegal dumping, and hazardous waste violations to protect the public health and environment. They're responsible for investigating cases of illegal dumping of hazardous materials. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. ICE enforces immigration and customs laws, combat human trafficking and smuggling, and investigate transnational crime to maintain border security and protect national interests. They investigate cases of human trafficking or illegal immigration. Internal Revenue Service, Criminal Investigation, the IRS. The IRS investigates financial crimes related to tax evasion, money laundering, and other financial fraud to uphold the integrity of the nation's tax system. They often collaborate with other agencies to take down criminals. Their agents are responsible for investigating the cases of tax fraud or money laundering. Fish and Game Wardens. Fish and game wardens enforce wildlife conservation and environmental protection laws, investigate poaching and environmental crimes, and promote outdoor safety and education to preserve natural resources and ensure environmental sustainability. Normally seen patrolling wildlife areas and lake shores. They investigate cases of illegal hunting or fishing in protected areas. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, the ATF. The ATF regulates the firearm and explosive industries, investigate violations of firearm laws, and combat the illegal trafficking of firearms and explosives to enhance public safety. They investigate cases of illegal firearm trafficking or arson. Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA. The DEA enforces controlled substance laws, combat drug trafficking and distribution, and dismantle drug organizations to reduce drug-related crime and protect the public health. They sometimes do this by going undercover, and they investigate cases of drug trafficking or illegal drug manufacturing. United States Marshal Service, USMS. The USMS provide protection for federal witnesses, apprehend fugitives, transport federal prisoners, and execute federal court orders to ensure the fair and effective administration of justice. They apprehend fugitives wanted for federal crimes such as drug trafficking or bank robberies. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. The FBI investigates federal crimes, gather intelligence, combat terrorism, and enforce laws related to national security to uphold the rule of law and protect the United States from threats. They investigate cases of terrorism, including threats against the national security or major cyber crimes, also going undercover to infiltrate criminal organizations. United States Secret Service, USSS. The Secret Service is tasked with providing close protection to the President, Vice President, and their families, ensuring their safety during public appearances, travel, and everyday activities. They meticulously plan and execute security measures, including threat assessment, intelligence gathering, and coordination with other law enforcement agencies to mitigate potential risk and maintain the integrity of the nation's highest office. Additionally, the Secret Service conducts investigations to financial crimes such as counterfeiting and fraud, safeguarding the nation's currency and economic stability.